Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Random Calls to our valued clients, and let's talk to one of our valued clients again. So we are going to call Shreya today. Shreya, and hello. Yeah, is this Shreya? Hi Shreya, I am Ritu Khanna from Perenne Cosmetics, and how are you? I just wanted to thank you for being a loyal Perenne customer, and I really wanted your genuine feedback. So what do you think about Perenne product?
Hardly 2 months, so I'm not able to see these as of now.
Okay.
And for the another clarific, I already mentioned it earlier
Okay.
on Instagram ID.
Okay. On Instagram, you have given feedback. You liked it?
Yeah, I loved it because I am like trying any number of times. I was investing so much money. Invested in it only because I never got the results.
Okay.
There is so many double projects for that. It's like by the time you able to screen photos and the same process. And so it's all again that. So I have even done, I have maybe the 30 minutes. Doctor see, I don't test, I do not have any complaints. Nothing else.
I am really happy.
It happens that it is internal or hormonal, but it was not even that.
Mm-hmm.
So then I went during the doctor only I got, there was a box one day that there is a free product. I
Yes.
was able to receive that product and I got it in I finished the bottle.
Wow, that's great.
And then it within 2 bottles I got it, but then as a backup I sent me based on the bottle another 2 backup one.
Wow.
Never know, but now only I have stopped completely until I think I don't somehow it's getting ready now I have to go. It pops out for people that's the home.
Wow, I'm so glad to hear that, Shreya, that you're so much benefited with this product. Actually, at Perenne, I do a lot of R&D before launching any product, and this was very well tried and tested on many young girls before launching, and it has a beautiful, active, natural, clinically tested active alpha floor, which works very great on the skin. So that is the reason even its prolonged use has no side effect. So this has natural willow bark extract and salicylic acid, which works very well on acne.
Yeah, because I have that also, but then I usually go to my therapy and I told him, so I told him, he gave me a number of tests, but he told me that you do not have anything in terms of issue, and still you're getting my skin related something else, but not hormonal, that is for sure.
Okay.
I did the test twice.
Okay.
And all the times everything was fine.
Okay. But still you were getting the acne.
Yeah, still.
Sometimes stress, sometimes your lifestyle, your eating habits also, something doesn't suit you, that also causes breakouts. But it is
Then I usually follow very active. I don't eat anything outside.
Okay.
In the morning, and I do not have my dinner at night.
Okay.
I can finish it off last by 6, 7, 8.
That is so good. That is so good that you are having such a healthy lifestyle also.
That's why I was questioning if it's a follow the same if you are.
Yes.
So now it's only acne marks. That's what.
So I tell you कि अगर आपकी एक्ने इससे ठीक हो गए क्लैरिफाइंग सिरम, आपको नाइसिनामाइड सिरम भी जरूर लेना चाहिए because you have those acne marks. Yeah, it really works great. So these two product combination is great for those who get breakouts and scars from those breakouts. And these are having natural actives, so it has no side effect. क्योंकि जैसे benzoyl peroxide यूज होता है या बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग सैलिसिक एसिड यूज होता है, जो कि डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट रिकमेंडेड प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं, वो आप ओवर द लाइन लॉन्ग टाइम यूज भी नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज दे हैव साइड इफेक्ट. उसका कोई साइड इफेक्ट भी नहीं है और ये बहुत अच्छे से हील करता है. And I'm really glad that you got the result, and keep using it consistently, and thank you so much for your review. And since you have started here at Ardent, I would say consistency is the key, regularity is the key. Yeah, you will definitely get the result. It will take time. So these are not magic, but if you use consistently, they will work magic for you.
Yeah, but then once you are done and your food stops,
No. You will not see. It will take time to disappear. It will take time to make the hair coarse hair thin. But once it is done, it will not. There is no reversal process there.
So you don't, once it is all done, then you don't need to use that.
Then you don't need to use once it is done. Okay. Nice speaking to you, Shreya. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Bye. So that really means a lot. I'm really happy that Shreya has got benefited with our clarifying serum, which she actually got as a gift from us on buying other products. But this is what I'm really working for. This is what debates me a lot. At Perenne, our customers are everything. We are here because of you, and we always want to hear back from you. So stay tuned for more episode of Random Calls to our valuable client. You might be the next to get the call. Thank you so much.